Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm doing my Allure Beauty Box. This is the June Kat Von D box, which I'm really excited about. It's been sitting around my house not being opened and I cannot wait any longer. I need to open it. It has just been a crazy month, so I haven't had time to do it. So I'm so excited to see what's in here. This is my 3-year-old Clara.
Hi.
She's helping me out today. I thought it would be fun to let her help me unbox some boxes. We just unboxed my June Ricky's Cult Crushes box, so if you want to see that, I'll link that up above and down below. If you guys are new, hey, my name's Liz. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Also ring your guys' notification bell so you guys are notified for all my future videos. And if you guys want to see what I got in the June Allure Kat Von D box, then just keep watching. If you guys don't know what the Allure Beauty Box is, it's a $15 a month subscription service for beauty items, ranging in makeup, skincare, hair care, all that good stuff. You ready? Ooh. What's that? Your little book?
Yeah.
So inside we have some gold paper. So basically this was Kat Von D's box. She curated, she picked out her favorite things inside. So let's go ahead and jump in to see what we got. You want to take something out? What is that? This is the Ole Henriksen Transforming Walnut Scrub. This is a facial scrub and it's full size, which is awesome. This retails for $28. So it's a facial exfoliator made with walnut shells. So the ingredients have been ground into a fine powder so that the scrub spreads on smoothly and rinses off easily without making your skin red or irritated, which is big for me because my skin is so sensitive and so is hers. She gets it from her mama. I don't like really harsh exfoliators, so this one actually sounds really nice. So I'll have to keep you guys updated on whether I like this or not. I'll leave that in the description box below. I'll update that once I've used this several times. And I've actually seen a lot of people who like this brand as well. This is the first thing I want to say that I've gotten from them, so I'm really excited to try this out. All right, you want to pick out the next thing?
Yeah.
All right, what's this? A popsicle.
Yeah.
I don't think it's a popsicle. It's a mirror. So this is a Kat Von D mirror. The front looks really cool. It looks like one of those old-timey, like, you know, wax stamp things, whatever that's called, you know, for an envelope, that thing. So it's just a little travel mirror, which is good for traveling. And it retails for $18. You can buy it at katvondbeauty.com. You can enter the code Allure18 at checkout to receive 2 free mini everlasting liquid lipsticks in Exorcism and Nosferatu 2. I think that's how you say it. When you spend $50, and that is good till July 31st. All right, should we pick out another thing?
Yeah.
Oh, both of those at the same time. Should we start with one? Okay, so this is the Kat Von D Studded Kiss Cream Lipstick. This is in the shade Double Dare, and she's got lip liner in Lolita. So I have had one studded lip kiss from her before, and I really love it. I've never had the lip liners though, and this lip liner is full size, which again is awesome. The lip liner retails for $18. The full size of the lipsticks are $19. So this is what the packaging looks like for the lip liner. I think it's really cute. So I'm just gonna try this on, see how it looks. My lip lining skills are not very good.
I won't do it in my lip, please.
I am not so great when it comes to lip lining. So this looks a little crazy, but I do like the color. So I'm just gonna go ahead and top it with the lipstick, again, which is in the shade Double Dare. So it just comes in this little studded packaging like this, and just a little tiny lipstick. I think it's really cute though. Honestly, it takes me forever to go through a lipstick, so I'm okay with the smaller samples. Okay, and here is the lipstick on top. I really like the color of the lip liner. The lipstick itself isn't bad. It's probably a little bit too pink for me. Not a bad color though. I'm really not mad at it at all, so. And the last thing in the box is the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Trooper. And I've had a sample size of this in the past and I really liked it. The full size of it retails for $20. So the packaging just looks like this, just a black package basically with white writing. And here's a little swatch for you guys. It's almost looking like it's like dried out a little bit. All right, let's try that again. It's like not looking like the blackest black. So I don't know if it's just this one, but I know that I've had this in the past and I really enjoyed it. So maybe it's just this little sample is like a little dry, which can be a little bit annoying. So it could just be this one. I'm not really sure, but I'm sure that I will get plenty of use out of it. All right, and that was everything that was in the box, which is pretty awesome. We got 2 full-size products. Even with those full-size products alone, you got $18 and then you got $28. So that's well over the price that you paid for the box. I'm really happy with this box. I think that it's awesome that we got a box full of high-end product. So that's really exciting to me. So if you guys haven't checked them out, I definitely would. I'll go ahead and leave the links to Allure Beauty down below, and then I'll also include whatever coupons are in this in the description box below. And that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. What did you guys think of this month's box? Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.